A public meeting was convened today at Laisangthim Awanglekai Community Hall over the abduction of 3 Meitei individuals by Kuki on September 27. The victims were en route to participate in the SSC-GD recruitment in New Kaithelmanbi. During the meeting, several resolutions were adopted. Parents of the abducted individuals urged the state government to ensure the safe return of their sons, maintaining that they had gone to attend the physical test for SSC-GD recruitment. They also called on the relevant groups who abducted their sons to facilitate their release. The parents expressed disappointment over misleading information circulating on social media of Johnson, one of the abducted individuals who had been rescued by security forces, which falsely claimed he has been returned to his family. They clarified that Johnson has not yet been handed over to the family. Speaking to media, convener of the Joint Action Committee, JAC El Thoubal, appealed to all civil society organizations to extend their support in rescuing the 2 remaining individuals still in Kuki custody. He also urged the state government and relevant authorities to return Johnson, who was safely rescued by security forces, to his family, expressing concern that his prolonged detention in police custody raises suspicions. The meeting adopted resolutions to submit a memorandum to the Governor of Manipur and the Chief Minister demanding the safe release of the 2 individuals. The JSC also committed to collaborating with civil society organizations and to ensure a unified effort until their safe return.
SSCG return pass tawraba angang hariba makhoi ahum asi India government Assam Rifle recruitment ama jawbu chatkiba matamda khangudana mangkhibagi thobu asigi mari leinana hariba akhoi angang ahum hojik phangdri haiba potu angang amadi hojik jimak Manipur government gi kase dal leire abise akhoi confirm tawjare yunana angang ani amadi thiba khangdana leigiba se lebak miyam amadi jesigi market gi angang bathak ka hona jaduna amadi hojik akhoi Manipur government da jesigi market gi angamba sakpi ge lunana pressure pijaduna angang ani sibu tek takaidana phangna ba hona bada angamba thokdang logjagani
Sao cầm rai rai ambe Sao tu na sinabiyo Isa na sinabiyo Mama ko na sinabiyo isa no Mama kita wagi manine Pamuina Isa sinabiyo Isa sinabiyo ko sigane Ayuda sigane Pagubiyagi ba sigane Isa sinabiyo